Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Printify integration for faster mockups and shipping. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Printify account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Next, look for the Manage My Stores option on the left side. Click on Manage My Stores to view your connected stores. If you haven't connected a store yet, click on Add Store. Choose your e-commerce platform from the list provided. Follow the prompts to authorize Printify access to your store. Once your store is connected, return to the Printify dashboard. Now, go to the Product Creation section. Select the type of product you want to create mockups for. Upload your design file or choose one from Printify's library. After adding your design, adjust it according to your preferences. Click on Preview to see how the product mockup looks. If satisfied, click on Publish to send the product to your store. Next, go to the Manage My Stores section again. Click on your connected store to access shipping settings. Select the Shipping tab to set up your shipping preferences. Fill in the necessary details such as shipping rates and options. Review all information to ensure accuracy. After completing your shipping settings, save your changes. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the Printify integration. Your store is now ready for faster mockups and efficient shipping. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.